Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a certain local election where there are 700 registered voters, so total number of registered voters is 700. 170 voted in favor of candidates X and Y. 205 voted in favor of candidates Y and Z. 165 voted in favor of X and Z. There are 120 voted in favor of candidates X, Y and Z. So combination of all three. If there are 315 candidate X diehards, 365 for candidate Y diehards and 340 for candidate Z diehards, how many voters did not vote in the election? Let's try to represent this in Venn diagram. So this circle represents 315 X diehards, entire circle. This entire circle represents 365 Y diehards. But as given in question, these two circles are overlapping this way. So similarly, this is third circle, which is representing 340 Z diehards. But again, as explained in the question, this third circle is also overlapping here. Now, the portion that is common to both X and Y circles is given as 170. 170 voted in favor of X and Y. So this entire portion, this is representing 170 people. Then let me remove these to be able to explain the next part. 205 voted in favor of Y and Z. So this portion, this is 170 and this portion is representing 205 people. This is 205. And 165 voted in favor of X and Z. So this portion is representing 165 people. 165. Now 120 voted in favor of candidates X, Y and Z. So this small portion that is overlapped by all three circles is representing 120 people. 120. Now let's consider X and Y, only these two circles. From that we can say that 315 minus this portion and minus this portion, we'll have to consider Z as well. So 315 minus these two portions will give us people who voted for X candidate. Now in order to find this shaded region, let's try to read the Venn diagram. Now 170 is representing X and Y's overlapped portion, that is this one, this much. And 120 is representing only this much. So we can say that 170 minus 120 equal to 50 people voted in favor of X and y. In the same way, we can say 205 minus 120 equal to 85 people voted in favor of y and z. 165 minus 120 equal to 45 people voted in favor of x and z. Now, if we want to find this particular number, that is people who voted for x, what will we do? So we can say that 315 minus 50 minus 45 minus 120. Why? Because as we calculated here, this much portion is representing 50, 45 and 85 respectively. Because total has to be 170 here, 165 here and 205 here. So 315 minus 50 plus 45 is 95. 95 plus 120 is 215 equal to 100 people voted for x. This we have got. Let us write it equation 1. Now similarly we can find number of people who have voted for y only and z only. Now how to find that? Here total number of y candidates is y voters is 365. 365 minus we have to subtract this portion and this portion. So that would be 365 minus 50 minus 120 minus 85. 50 minus 120 minus 85 is equal to 365 minus, let's see, 50 plus 120 is 170. 170 plus 85 is 170 plus 85 is 255, which is equal to 110. So 110 people voted for y. This we will call equation 2. And in the same way we'll find number of people who voted for z. Number of people who voted for only z will be 340 minus this portion, that is 45, minus this portion, that is 85, and minus this portion, that is 120. So that is equal to 340 minus 45 minus 85 minus 120, which is equal to 340 minus 45 plus 85 is 130, and 130 plus 120 is 250. So that is equal to 90 people voted for z. Equation 3. Now from equations 1, 2 and 3 we can see from 1, 2 and 3 we can say total number of registered voters who voted is equal to 100 plus 110 plus 90, which is equal to, let's see, 9 plus 1 10 plus, wait, so total number of people who voted will be number of people who voted for x, then y, then z, and then this portion is 50 plus 45 plus 85 plus 120. These many voters actually voted. So that will be, let's see, 100 plus 110 plus 90 plus 50 plus 45 plus 85 and plus 120. So that is equal to, let's see, 300. First 3 addition is 300 plus 85 plus 45 is 130. 130 plus 120 is 250. 250 plus 50 is 300. So that is equal to 600 people voted. Now we can say that number of people who didn't vote is equal to number of registered people minus number of people who voted. So that is equal to 700. I think yes, the total number of registered voters is 700. So that is equal to 700 minus 600 equal to 100. So the answer is 100 people didn't vote. Let's see, answer is option B.